Have you ever wondered why codependency and dark empaths seem to be drawn to each other like magnets? It's almost as if they have a sixth sense for finding each other in a crowd. But once you get past the initial attraction, you'll find that their relationship is anything but magnetic. In fact, it's downright toxic. Dark empaths and codependents often get stuck in a destructive cycle where they take advantage of each other's best weaknesses and vulnerabilities. But don't worry, we're here to break down this toxic dance and show you how to spot the warning signs. First, let's talk about the codependent. They have a habit of falling for the bad boy or the rebel with a cause. They're drawn to those who make them feel alive, and they're willing to overlook any red flags in the name of love. But they don't just fall for anyone. They need someone who will make them feel special and important, even if it's only in their mind. And that's where the dark empath comes in. Dark empaths are experts at playing the role of the misunderstood hero. They know how to make people feel like they're the only ones who truly understand them. And they love the attention so much that they'll do whatever it takes to keep it coming. For them, it's all about control and power. And they use their keen sense of awareness to manipulate their codependent partners into giving them exactly what they want. But it's not all sunshine and roses for the dark empath. Codependents can be incredibly clingy and needy, which can quickly become exhausting for someone with an already fragile ego. They need constant reassurance and validation, which can be draining for the dark empath who thrives on attention. So why do they stay together? Well, the answer is pretty simple. They both get what they need from the relationship. The codependent gets their fix of love and validation, while the dark empath gets to be the center of attention. But this dynamic is far from healthy, and it can quickly turn into a toxic mess. Here are a few telltale signs that a codependent and a dark empath are in a destructive relationship. They have a tendency to finish each other's sentences. They know each other's thought processes so well that it's almost scary. And they have a strong sexual connection that can either be a way to deepen their bond or a way to control each other. If you see these signs in your relationship, it's time to take a step back and ask some serious questions. Is this relationship really healthy for you? Are you being taken advantage of? And are you being manipulated by your partner? It's not easy to admit, but sometimes the best thing you can do for yourself is to walk away from a toxic relationship, even if it means losing the love of your life. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who treats you right and makes you feel good about yourself. Don't settle for someone who brings out the worst in you, because in the end, it's not worth it.